is beautiful, stunning. She truly is an icon. Viewer standpoint, seeing you in all your glory and all your triumph and success, celebrating your birthday after that, was it a double win or parang naging melancholic ka ba in a way because after the success you had to celebrate your birthday? Was it a good thing or was it something emotional for you?
It is something emotional for me because I felt like the crown of the Miss International Queen Philippines is something that is given to me. It is a birthday gift. So I really appreciate that and I really value this victory. And I'd like to use this opportunity also to thank everyone who attended this Thanksgiving and victory party. I really appreciate you all, even though you came from far provinces and far places. I appreciate you all for coming po.
Alam mo, we love a grateful queen. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody watching us online as well, sound off on the comments kung ano yung mga mensahe na gusto niyo parating sa ating Queen Sofia Arcangel. Sofia, deserve mo itong celebration na ito. And you deserve that crown. You know, it's funny how the stars aligned for you on your first join. Hindi mo man nakuha yung corona. Ngayon, nakuha mo na yung corona, kaakibat pa nito, na-celebrate mo yung birthday mo with the best birthday present. So we know that this truly is for you. Deserve mo. And proud kami na ikaw ang gaganap na mahahawak ng Pilipinas sash for the incoming international pageant.
Thank you so much po. And with all pride, I'm going to do my best. And of course, with the help of the Men's International Queen Philippines Organization, Mami Michelle, Sir Tay, and Direk Roderick. I really appreciate you all po and thank you po for choosing me and trusting me as your Miss International Queen Philippines 2024.
I see. I want to share the mic with you, di ba? Actually, Sofia, I know that your name, upon my research, it's like an angel's name. It means wisdom. Grabe, yun pala, inyoya pala yun ang, parang yung Greek word yung inyoya. Tama ba ako? Parang guys, something like that. But I want to ask, kasi nabanggit mo kanina yung birthday mo. Ano yung winish mo on your birthday?
Actually, just good health because I already achieved my wish. And that is to be your Miss International Queen Philippines. And I'm just, my heart is just full of gratitude with that. And that is just something I wish for.
Wow. Alam mo, na-mention ni Sofia kanina that there are people behind the success. And we also know these people, but syempre, we also want to hear...
And welcome to Aquila Crystal Palace. And in behalf of the Executive Committee, kay Sir Tay and Direk Rod, at sa lahat po na bumubuo ng MIQ Philippines, ang lahat ng regional directors po, ang ating MIQ Philippines 2023 na si Lars Pacheco. Maraming salamat po sa sa pagtanggap niyo ulit sa third season ng MIQ Philippines. And of course, hindi po magiging possible ang success ng lahat ng ginagawa po natin without the help of all our sponsors, partners, at lahat po ng tumulong para po maisa yung tablado ng successful ang MIQ Philippines 2024. And of course, tonight po is the night for Sofia. Umasa po kayo na hindi namin po pababayaan ang ating reyna. Kami po ni Sir Tay, ni Direk Rod, ng ating mga regional directors, ng ating regional franchisee. Hindi po natin papabayaan ang laban na ito. Ibabalik po natin ang corona. Kukunin po natin ang ika-4 na corona para sa Pilipinas. And of course, gusto ko rin pong i-acknowledge ang presence po ng ilan sa mga Queen Sisters ni Sofia. Andito po ang ating MIQ Philippines 2024 second runner-up, si Julian Concepcion, who maybe we could ask for a message for her ate later. And of course, our MIQ Philippines Visayas from Aklan, si Bella Fax. So this just means a lot for me, for Sir Tay, for the Direk Rod, and Sofia, kasi nga nakikita natin na despite their hectic schedules, ganyan, is they find time na makapunta dito. And of course, kay Sir Wayne, super busy po siya, meron siyang other pageant na hinahawakan, but he took time to be here to celebrate the victory and to give thanks kay Lord sa victory ni Sophia. Again po, maraming salamat, Sir Tay, and then Shaka sa Moriones, Galaxy, Mobile Bar, and sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa amin na brands, sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa amin na sponsors and partners, maraming salamat po. Tuloy-tuloy po natin supportahan si Sophia para masungkit ang ika-4 na Corona!
Po sa inyong lahat. Actually, we didn't know each other personally, pero Ate Sophia is one of the candidates na nagpupush sa akin sa rehearsals, and parang siya din yung nag-aasikaso sa akin kapag nagkakamali ako sa blockings. Kaya natutuwa po ako na nandito ako to support her, and my message for you, ate, is na ano mang mangyari, nandito lang ako to support you, and you deserve the crown.
Wow, congratulations. What a wonderful message.
Actually, Ate Sophia, when the first time I saw her, I knew she was emitting that crown glory already. And when I felt low during the rehearsal, she's the one who keeps cheering me like, go lang, baby, go lang. Kasi it's my first time, she knew it was my first time in the pageantry. And she's always giving me that push. And for me, that's what a true queen is. And she's so nice. Like, yun lang.
Sa amin, di ba, umattend daw ng victory party dalawang victory party na yung na-attendan ko. So ako pa din ba next year?
Ay!
And then, congratulations. Deserve mo yan. So, ayun, ilalaban natin. Ngayon, makapag-focus kami ng team dahil isa na lang yung susuportahan ko namin. So, mararamdaman mo yung support namin. Thank you, congrats!
Ako ready. Short story lang. Before the competition, she was not my top 2. And nag-PM siya sa akin. Totoo naman, di ba, Wayne? Nag-PM siya sa akin the night before, babaguhin ko ang top 2 mo. And so she did. Let me just share with you that being a beauty queen takes 3 stages. 1 being a damsel, 1 being a princess, and the final is being a queen. And now, hold on to that crown because you'll miss it very soon since you will be wearing another crown, and that is Miss International Queen crown. Congratulations!
Thank you so
Ka-ready ako. Sophia, congratulations to you. Okay, thank you for listening always sa amin, sa Exicom. Okay, so I wish lang sa Thailand na ilalaban natin lahat. Okay, hanggang sa dulo. Congratulations and God bless you all.
Yes!
Yun po ay yung driving passion ko towards this. And walang mapapagod, patuloy na lalaban, and I'll make all Filipino citizens proud po.
Beyond for another
So for the, may we call it also direct?
bagay ang manifestation. Sa totoo lang, dapat pakiramdaman mo rin.
Hello po ulit sa inyo, and thank you for coming po ulit. And I just like to thank you all for your support po sa journey ko po, kay Sir Tay po sa Aquila Crystal Palace, to Mami Michelle, Direk Rod, Mami Wayne, Mami Rayan, lahat po kayo. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal niyo po at sa tiwala po na binigay niyo. This really means so much to me, and you will be my support system po sa paglaban po sa international. And I'm just going to work hard for this so I could be able to make you all proud. So hopefully po, I'm manifesting for the 4th crown for the Philippines. Thank you po.
Ayan, another crown for the Philippines indeed. Again, congratulations, Sophia.